Mrs. Calvi here. Just a quick reminder on how to solve dividing fractions. This is where we are going to be using keep, change, flip. All right, if you notice the problem I currently have here, I have mixed numbers. The first thing I want to do is change those into improper fractions. So I'm going to take my denominator, I'm going to multiply it by my whole number, and then I'm going to add in my numerator. So 6 times 1 is 6. And then 6 plus 3 is 9. And then I'm going to keep my denominator the same. Okay. I'm going to keep my division bar for now. I'm going to change my second mixed number into an improper fraction. So 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 3 is 11 over 4. All right. So now I'm going to do the keep, change, flip part. So this ends up becoming, when we change it, we keep the 9/6, we change the division sign to multiplication, and we flip our second fraction. Okay? So now here we can multiply our numerators across, multiply our denominators across. So 9 times 4 gives me 36. 6 times 11 gives me 66. Now you have to remember your answer always needs to be in simplest form. So I need to simplify this down. Okay, so this is where we can use our divisibility rules to help us figure out how we can simplify 36 over 66 down. So the two rule is they would have to be even, which they are, so I can use the two rule and cut both of these in half. I also noticed that they meet the 3 rule, okay? So I know that the 3 rule is add the two digits together, and if that's divisible by 3, the whole number is divisible by 3. So 3 plus 6 is 9. I know that 9 is divisible by 3. 6 plus 6 is 12, and I know 12 is divisible by 3. So I'm going to go ahead and use 3. I'm going to divide the numerator and denominator by 3. And let's see what we would come up with. So if we take 36 and we divided that by 3, you would get 12. And if you take 66 and divide that by 3, you would get 22. Now, these can still be simplified down. So these are both even numbers, right? So we can cut them in half. Half of 12 would give me 6. Half of 22 would give me an 11. And this cannot be simplified any further, so our final answer would be 6/11. So when you are solving division fractions, you have to remember keep, change, flip. If you have a mixed number to start with, always change it into an improper fraction first. All right, I hope this reminder helped you.